Welcome to Righteous Pursuits. This is Charissa, and thanks for tuning in once again. So 2 nights ago, the Lord gave me a dream. In the dream, I was in one area of the house. It felt like I was talking to someone, but I didn't see the person's face or anything. In the dream, I was telling this person, the meteorologist said that we need to prepare for a storm. That's what I told the person. And then the dream ended. And so, when I thought about the dreams I had last year concerning a storm, which the Lord showed me, the dream last year was saying a storm was coming, right? With that dream, the Lord was bringing that a storm was coming to my attention to make me aware of what was about to come. And so with the dream that he showed me 2 nights ago, I notice now he's saying to prepare for it. And so what I like about God, he shows you things in stages. And when I compare both of the dreams, everything is going from one stage to the next. First, it's about being aware about what's going to take place. And then he is giving instructions now to be ready and to be prepared as far as storms forming. When I checked and looked it up, I noticed that we have a very active hurricane season at this time. So we have to remember that no matter what God does, that he is going to protect us. We have nothing to worry about. Wherever you live, whether that may be in a particular state or particular country, take this word to the Lord in prayer. Intercede on behalf of your country. Know and believe you are protected by the Most High God. Despite judgment being done, God is still in control and God is still working. But that's all I wanted to discuss, guys. And remember, God is faithful and he is true. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.